y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about the Ivy box, and I didn't realize how long it's been since I did an Ivy box until I realized I have not one, not two, but three packages that I have not done a video for, and the third one just came today. So I was like, okay, I just got home, let me go ahead and make this video real quick, just to do an update. So the two that I have, I want to say I skipped them up at some point because Ivy box just really wasn't, I don't know, sometimes it's like it's really hit or miss for me, and I'm like, as a law student who is kind of tight on funds, I can't just, I don't know, it's just a big commitment to make, to keep buying these boxes and not really know what you're getting. The mystery is kind of cool, but I mean, overall, it's like, it wasn't worth it at that point to me. So as of today, I am officially no longer subscribed to Ivy box. I'm not even sure how I got this last one just now. I'm not sure if it charged me before I ended the subscription or whatever, but I mean, it's cool, it is what it is. But there probably will not be any more Ivy box videos anytime soon because I have officially unsubscribed from the program. So I have three boxes that I'm gonna do today. Two of them are old boxes, and I've already looked at them, as I think I've mentioned already, and one of them is like brand spanking new, is still in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just go over the two that I have already. I'm not really sure which order they're in. So they still have the same box from whenever they began the collaboration with Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, and this box is still heavy, so I think I know which one this is. Everything on the inside is still the same, so go ahead and reopen it. So I think this isn't the one I thought it was. But anyway, this is the September box, and the theme for the September box is work hard, level up, and I want to say they got it from the level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. You know, I like that song. But it says the theme again is work hard, level up. What's in the box? A gray, aka varsity sweater, a gray canvas pad folio, a green, aka roller ink pen, and a set of aka paper clips, pearl paper clips. This little quote says, Jesus once told a story about a landowner who, before leaving on a trip, called his servants and entrusted each with a portion of his estate. After returning from his trip, the man called for his servants and required each to give an account of what they had done. It was discovered that two of the servants had taken what was given them and doubled it. Yet the third could not report such success. When the man asked for an explanation, the servant replied, "I was afraid I would lose your money, so I hid it on earth, and here it is." So often we blame God when we do not see the success in our lives that we see in others. Yet the truth is, our failures have more to do with our fears than with God's favor. Please use these items and remember, Solomon once said, if you wait for perfect conditions, you will never have anything done. Be sure to stay busy and plant a variety of crops, for you never know which will grow. Perhaps they all will. So the first thing that's in the box are these little paper clips. So it's like two like bookmark type paper clips. It has a little rubber top. I think this would be cool for putting in my books. Maybe I'll start with it next semester. I think I'm kind of a little deep in right now to start using it. But these are really cute. So it's two of them in the box. The next thing I see is the pen, and it just has like this felt covering, and it's a pink and green pen, right? It just says Alpha Kappa Alpha, and I mean that's pretty much it. It's a twist pen, and let's see what color it writes. If I can get this little thing off. It actually writes blue. I would expect it to write black, but I mean, blue's nice as well. I've been writing with blue with school recently, so this is cute. So the next thing I see is this cardigan. It's really nice. And the reason why I knew about this one too is because at my chapter meeting, I saw, I didn't go to the chapter meeting, but I actually saw a picture of everyone from the chapter meeting, and like 20 or so people having the same cardigan. So yeah, it's really cute. I definitely see myself getting somewhere out of this, but I'm really kind of upset a little bit because I just bought a freaking gray cardigan at Boulay. So I might have to repurpose this. I might re-gift this or something like that. I don't know, I'm not sure yet, but it's cute. But I have something kind of similar. So the last thing is this pad folio, which will definitely come in handy for me specifically with, I like this is really cute. It says Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority ink on it actually, but this will definitely come in handy for me with school, especially because, you know, legal pads are the thing in law school. I typically don't use them because I was like, I'm not gonna go buy one. However, since this came in here, I definitely see myself using this. I probably get some use out of it next semester. I think like right now in this semester, I'm just kind of a little like, ugh, whatever, I'm over it. So I'll kind of get my mind back together starting next semester. So that will get some use in the future. So let's offer that very first box. So this next one, I ain't gonna lie, when I got this box, I was like, all right. I think this is kind of the box that sent me over the edge, to be honest. So this is the October box, and the theme is Pretty Great Cook. Now, I will say for certain people, I think that they would like this and appreciate it more. I don't be cooking like that, maybe not right. Like maybe in the future, I'll get some use out of it. So it says the theme is Recipe for Happiness. And what's in the box? An AKA 20 Pearls apron, an AKA 20 Pearls pot holder, an AKA ceramic spoon rest, a pretty pink oven mitt and tea towel, and a gorgeous green jeweled brooch. So it says, take 365 days, trim off all the old memories of discord, soak and wash thoroughly in plenty of love and courage. Cut these days into 12 parts, cooking only one day at a time. Be sure the fire is hot with enthusiasm and your pot is bright with hope. I am tripping today. Season each pot with some kindness for others and add patience for the small trials that come up every day. Add a little earnestness and willingness. Serve with smiles, praise, and plenty of heat-warming joy with your chin up. P.S. The biggest Ivy box of the season is up next. That might be that one. Now will be the time to refer a friend before it's too late. Don't miss out on the surprise we have in store. So, yeah, I'm not, you know what? I don't know if that's gonna, yes, November, it's November. Okay, tripping. I'm thinking it's December. So the first thing that comes up is this, I guess this is a pink and green brooch. Yeah, I think this is that. I don't know, maybe one day. I just don't be having anywhere to wear those brooches to, so whatever. So the first like actual item that I see that goes with the theme is this pink and green oven mitt, which is cute. The next thing is this, I don't even know what this is. I guess it's the tea towel. I'm gonna just guess it's like something like a in my house, I guess they'll call them tea towels, but like we just use the towels to actually, you know, go with the mitt. So the mitt you'll use to actually grab the handle, and the little towel you use to put under the, so I'm gonna guess, you know, these go together. So just picture that in your house, and that's what I would use these two for. So this right here is a little heavier, so let's actually see what this is. I'm gonna guess this is the spoon rest. Cute. This is also in the box. Yeah, I guess I'll just put, you know, spoon can go in there, or I can grab stuff with the, I don't know, the kitchen etiquette. I'm in law school. I don't know. But this is the spoon holder. Yeah, it has AKA on the inside. It's pretty cute. I mean, I think I would be more enthused if I was actually like into cooking and things like that. Like this type of stuff is just probably gonna go in the closet for me, or I might re-gift or something. Like, it's not necessarily re-gifting because I bought this. But this tends to like it, but I mean, I don't know. Christmas is coming up. I do know some newly married folk, and that might be a gift. And the final thing in this box is the little apron. Let me go ahead and take it on now. But this is cute. I can see myself rocking this. This is cute. So it's just, you know, very pink and green, very, you know, pretty lady-ish. Yeah, I definitely like that. So we're gonna go ahead and just put this back on in the box. Let's go ahead and get into this new box. This one is clearly still in the packaging, so y'all know I have not even considered opening it yet. So that last one, the October thing, had something that said this is gonna be the biggest box yet or something like that. This is heavy. I will say, like, you can literally hear it. And I hope whatever it is, it ain't breakable, because it don't have no keep this side up type of thing on it. But in the box, it's technically a little lighter because it's easy to, you know, kind of shift like that. So let's go ahead and open this to see what's in here. What does this say? Oh, not a book. Oh, let me not. All right, so first off, it says, first off, it looks like it's gonna be a book. Yeah, So, oh, okay. You know what? I'm really not mad at this. I'm not mad because I wanted to get this and now I'm already okay because I didn't get okay. So this box is a VIP Ivy Storehouse with Michelle Obama collaboration, and it says an invitation to join us for an Ivy Box members only experience. And the theme is becoming, literally becoming. Okay, so what's in the box? It's a personalized letter from Michelle Obama to you, becoming memoir, becoming poster, becoming e-study guide for electronic delivery, becoming X, aka book cover, becoming X, aka skinny scarf, and becoming X, aka bookmark. So I'm guessing it's the becoming, becoming in collaboration. That's what the X is for. And it says, in collaboration with Ivy Storehouse, Michelle Obama released a special copy of her memoir entitled Becoming and penned a personal letter just for you as an Ivy Box subscriber. In this exclusive partnership with the Crown Publishing Group, Penguin Random House, and Mrs. Michelle Obama, we are elated that you are a part of this special moment, rich legacy, and highly exclusive and selective readership base. In fact, Ivy Box subscribers are the only readers who will receive a personal letter from Miss Obama, a copy of her book, poster, and book study guide. Indeed, this book is special, and so is this moment. This story is powerful. The woman, phenomenal of course, is our own Michelle Obama. Let's read and love together. And then we also have a little thing about a Pink Friday. All right. So this is a book cover and it says, Ivy Storehouse and Mrs. Michelle Obama invite you to a VIP experience. Dear Ivy Box subscriber, okay, and it's the same thing that I just said down there, so I'm not about to read it again. So this is, I guess, just her book, and that's awesome. I kind of don't even want to open this package, but I feel like I have to. So I'm weak sauce. My lovely first lady. Like, I just love me some Michelle Obama. It's just something about Michelle Obama. Like, she's really goals. And I do look forward to reading this. Just not right now. I probably will read it over. I'm gonna try to read it over the Christmas break and we'll see how that goes. But as of right now, I just can't. But then we also have the personalized letter. So this is what the letter says. It says, to the women of Alpha Kappa Alpha, in the time since our family left the White House, I had the chance for the first time in about a decade to take a step back, reflect, and really just breathe. I thought a lot about the turns that my life took. Not just the monumental changes like when my husband decided to run for president, but the more subtle private moments that ultimately defined the course of my life and the kind of person I became. I thought about the working class neighborhood I grew up in, a place of racial and economic diversity that slowly saw its prospects dim as white and affluent families left for the suburbs. I thought about being one of the few black women on my college campus and at various stages of my career, and how those experiences impacted my perceptions of myself. And I thought about the women who supported me every step of the way, the sisterhood of friends and co-workers and mentors who helped me broaden my view of the world and my place within it. The women who studied me as I tried to balance a demanding career, 2 little girls, and a marriage to a man with big aspirations. I put all of that and a whole lot more into my memoir, Becoming. And I hope you'll read it and hope that something in my story reveals to you the power in your own story. Something that gives you a new understanding about how you became who you are. Maybe it'll spur you to reflect on your own. Maybe you'll reach out to an old friend or to a sister from your college years. Mostly, I hope that this book is useful to you in your own process of becoming. Because if there's one thing I've learned through all of the unexpected bumps and hard-won joys of my journey, it's that there's always more growing to be done. Sincerely, Michelle Obama. She's a class act. I just love her. And I like this picture too. Like, she's just so gorgeous. This is still my first lady. If you didn't know, this is still my first lady. Always will. I don't know what this is supposed to be. No, this is the book sleeve. The book sleeve, yes, the cover, right? The cover to go in front. It has AKA engraved on it right here. So that goes on the top of the book so you can protect the covering. And then we also have, what the heck is, I guess this is a book. No, this is a bookmark. So this is the Becoming bookmark. And this is what that looks like. My hand's a little ashy, y'all, I know, but this is Becoming bookmark and it's pretty cute. And then what the heck is this? Oh, I guess this is a skinny scarf. And knowing me, this is gonna be something I put on my doggone head like that, y'all. But on it just says becoming any change involving realization of potentialities as a movement from the lower level of potentiality to the higher level of actuality. Yeah, so it's a little glare, but it's quite long. I don't think people actually read it, but yeah, it's quite long and it's cute. It's very thin, as they say. It's a mini scarf, but I like it. So those are the items that I have received in these last few Ivy boxes that I had not gotten a chance to actually show off in video form. Yeah, but as of right now, my subscription to Ivy Storehouse is done. It was always like kind of hit and miss for me. I think the being able to have items that I can really use in practical sense is really the determining factor of why I kind of didn't want to keep on with it. I think for somebody else, if you're interested in just having a wide variety of items to be received, then definitely I still recommend Ivy Storehouse. It's not right for me at this moment. I think like once I get a job again, you know, once I get back into the workforce, work field that is, I'll be able to actually feel a little more comfortable about my decisions and things like that. But as of right now, no. So let me know which items you like the most, which box you like the most. I would probably have to say that my favorite item and box was the one from, I want to say that's September, with the Padfolio in it, because the Padfolio is actually the item that I like the most, because I'll be able to get the most practical use out of it. I mean, I also do like the November box because I did want to buy Michelle Obama's book, but I feel good to kind of know that I bought it without even buying it, you know, because I was like, dang, I should have bought it, but technically I still have it. So, all right, again, let me know what item you like the most. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.